Here's another Spider-Man, the Amazing Spider-Man video. At the top of the play field, you've got these 3 drop holes. See, the ball drops in and gets kicked out. So there's 2 pieces of plastic under here. One is the piece that triggers the switch, and one is the piece that holds the ball and kicks the ball back out. In many of these games, these little pieces of plastic are broken. They look like this. Here is the one piece and the second piece. These I got from Pinball Resource. They're really hard to find, and they're not very expensive. So again, what I'm going to do now is show you how to replace them to make them work, because they're all broken underneath. Here we are underneath, and you can see, if I turn my light off, you can see where those are. There's one under each of these kicking apparatus. You can also see that almost every one of them is broken. This middle one is really broken, but they're all cracked. That's kind of where they are. So I've removed the coil. I'm now going to remove this piece. There's only one more screw holding it on. That's the kicker. I'm also going to replace and clean the solenoid sleeve before reassembling. You can actually see the mechanism. As the ball drops in, it pushes this, that pushes the switch, that activates the solenoid to kick it back out. But what you see here, this one, it's pretty smashed. So a little hard to see, but yeah, you can see it there. The plastic is, if I get autofocus in there, plastic is broken, doesn't really push very well. You know, the next one over is even worse. That one's not too, yeah, you can see that one's cracked. So they're all getting replaced. That's what it kind of looks like. After I took it out, you can see it really just disintegrated. The plastic just is so brittle, just fell right apart. So I'm gonna replace it now with the new shiny ones. The coil sleeve out of the coil and replaced it with a new one. You can see what a mess that one was. And there's the new piece. So you can see it's working fine. And I'm gonna drop a ball in there, but you get the idea. This one's totally seized. That one's next, but that's what the good one looks like.